Here we have an inequality which I will show you how to graph and solve on a number line. For an inequality, you need a greater than or a less than. Oh, I messed that up. Less than sign and a variable. So to solve this inequality, you see that it says 8 less than, and the product of negative 3 and a number is greater than negative 26. 8 less than means that you have to subtract from, and what you're subtracting from is the product of negative 3 and a number. So negative 3 and a number is the variable x minus 8, and it says greater than. So this is the greater than sign, negative 26. And this is what you will need to solve the inequality. So first what you have to do is plus 8 on the left side and cancel each other out to get 0, because negative 3x minus 0 is negative 3x. And then you bring this down and do negative 3x negative 26 plus 8. And what you have to do is add these. And since it's a negative plus a positive, you have to do negative 26 without the negative minus 8. And you get negative 18. So then you rewrite the inequality, and you get negative 3x is greater than negative 18, and you divide negative 3x by negative 3 to get x by itself, and then you divide negative 3 on the right side, and you get positive 6. And what you have to do is, when dividing by a negative, switch this sign, and you get x is less than 6. Where is it? Help me. To check this, what you would do is you would plug in a number for x, and it has to be less than 6. So you do negative 3 times 5 minus 8 is greater than negative 26. And you get negative 15 minus 8 is greater than negative 26. And when subtracting a negative from a positive, you would have to switch the signs and change the positive to a negative. And you would do 15 plus 8 you get 23 as a negative is greater than negative 26. And to graph this on the number line, you would number it from 1 to around 7. And you would do an open circle on 6 and shade in what's less than 6. And this is how you graph it on a number line. And a trick for open circle and closed circle is an open circle is one step to make the circle, and then to make the sign, it's 1 step. And then for a closed circle, it's like 2 steps when you shade it in. And then to make equal, greater than or equal to is like 2 steps, like a circle. And that's how you solve and graph an inequality on a number line.